clearly has a passion.
Now, astonishingly, this right here is everything required to make a 8-foot leather bullwhip. Animal fat. But before I start, I actually need to prep the laces. I need to treat them with a leather dressing that softens them and allows me to stretch them to bring them out to their natural state. Then I'm going to braid them. I'm going to do a 4-plate braid, that is using 4 laces, and this will comprise the inner and smallest core of the whip. This will be the center. Now you're starting to see where this is going. That is called the belly. The first belly, the interior belly of the whip. I'm going to cover this belly with a bolster, which is effectively a long triangle of leather. That bolster will then get another belly laid over it because the Indiana Jones whips are what are called 2-belly whips.
The braided core and leather bolster is doubled up to form the second belly. And in the middle of this meticulous process, Adam couldn't be happier.
In case you haven't guessed already, I loves me the bullwhips. I started out inspired by Raiders. I'm done with the second belly, and I quickly learned that I love 2 distinct things about the practice. These will be the 12 laces that make the actual outer coating of the whip. One was that I love the practice itself, the craft of whip making. The meticulous, repetitive stretching, checking, cutting, lacing. It is deeply meditative. Hold on, I gotta drink my own urine. I'm kidding, I wasn't drinking my own urine. I was drinking someone else's. The second thing I love about it is the form and function coming together magnificently. I mean, you've got this beautiful form of a smooth leather object that is tapered from one end to the other.
Dude, it's looking so good.
And then that tapering turns out not just to be lovely and compelling, but in fact crucial for delivering the energy from your hand out to the tip of the whip with the maximum amount of strength. That is really cool. I am really pleased with how this is looking.
For the finishing touches, Adam decorates the handle, and then to make the whip actually crack, attaches 2 thin strips called the fall and the cracker. But will all that work pay off with a working whip?
All right. Whew, this is very exciting. Oh, it sounds good. Yeah!
It's pretty loud. Can you hit anything with it?
You know, I've never actually tried.
Why don't I set something up?
Let's do it.
Indiana Jones nonchalantly and surgically disarmed his armed foe.
Come on.
Adam, however, can't seem to take out a few cans.
Not exactly precision shooting.
Until he gets real close and the laws of probability weigh in.
Yeah.
Yes.
He hit it.
As long as I've got 10, 12, 15 tries, you are in trouble, man.
Yep, to find out if you can indeed disarm armed adversaries, Adam and Jamie clearly need some expert help. And a spectacular change of scene to set up for some Temple Run fun.
Totally gonna get shot. Indy's whip is a character in its own right in the Raiders films. And it does some unbelievable things in the film. First and foremost, he's able to disarm